This short video will show you the power of rollback mode in Parallels desktop. First, I need to enable rollback mode. The virtual machine cannot be running when you do this. Rollback mode is enabled in the security pane of the configuration dialog. I will set it to ask what to do with all the actions taken when rollback mode was in use. Now I will boot Windows 10. Let's add some files to Windows 10. Let's delete some files, and move some others. Finally, let's change the desktop background. When Windows 10 is shut down, Parallels desktop will ask about all the changes made while rollback mode was enabled. You can either discard all the changes, or keep all the changes. I will discard the changes. When Windows 10 is rebooted, all the changes we made are gone. It is as if those actions never took place. This is the power of rollback mode. Everything you did can be undone: add a file, install an app, delete an app, settings changes, everything.